So we're doing this project together about divorcing a narcissist, and we're working on this website together.
DivorceYourNarcissist.com is our new website for support for survivors of narcissistic abuse during divorce. We know divorcing a narcissist is hell, and we're here to help you learn how to take stock of your present situation, lay out a game plan for what kind of life you want, and start moving in a positive direction. We're thinking outside the box. We're creating real change.
It is nerve-wracking. It is very stressful, but just take a deep breath, fill out the paperwork, and put a smile on your face.
At DivorceYourNarcissist.com, we get that you're not dealing with a standard soon-to-be ex. Narcissists are different, and if you're going to get what you deserve and keep yourself, your money, and your family safe, you need to think differently. We're going to help you get there.
You're going to be the lead of that site. That's going to be your site. So what do you have planned for this site? What are your thoughts about what you want to do with it? Kind of fill everybody in on what we're getting ready to give to them.
I plan on making sure that you know the steps that you have to go through. I'm going to throw in a little bit of my experience to make it a little more human and not just, hey, this is what you have to do.
Divorce is a process. Divorcing a narcissist is no easy feat. While some toxic people are just going to neglect the process and let you handle the whole thing, others will fight you tooth and nail along the way. We aim to support you through your divorce, from the preparation stage through getting your life back on track when all is said and done. When it's out in the open that this person who you held hands with so many years ago, and you promise to love, honor, and cherish and obey, to be supportive of, stand beside in good times and bad, through sickness and health for rich or poor, no longer wants you or your love? Even if you were the one who initiated the divorce, you still feel like you have been rejected, at least on some level. It's just about the most damaging thing you'll ever face in your lifetime. Studies tell us that divorce is more traumatic than going through even the death of a loved one.
I think I'm going to start the site out with the domestic violence injunction that I'm going through. I would love to be able to research and go into other things.
If you're at this point in your life right now, there is help at hand. Whatever your circumstances, it is of the utmost importance that when the pain of divorce descends upon you, you realize that you can recover, that you will recover, and that in this reality, however bad it may seem right now, is an opportunity for you to attain real and total happiness. Our self-help guides, information, and tips for men and women are designed to help you explore your current feelings and help you work your way through the gloom and into the light at the end of the tunnel. Plus, we offer practical, actionable tips, ideas, and information on how to actually proceed during your divorce from a narcissist.
I just want everybody to let me know what they need, what they want, what would make the site better for them. Just leave comments. Let me know.
This website is a queenbeing.com partner site. Queen Being supports narcissistic abuse survivors. Certified life coach Angie Atkinson partnered with Misty, our divorce expert, to create this specialty support system when she recognized a need for it in the community. This site was created for survivors by survivors, and yes, Misty is a survivor herself, as well as a paralegal and a divorce expert. At DivorceYourNarcissist.com, we take all of the special concerns of survivors and we fold them into useful, actionable information, as well as sharing our own stories and helpful tips and ideas. We offer strong support, and we understand the value of community support, especially when a narcissist or other toxic person is involved in your life. We are proud to present a free support option, a strong, supportive, confidential group designed just for narcissistic abuse survivors going through divorce.
And, I would be excited to hear other people's experiences along the way, if they're doing theirs on their own or if they've done them in the past.
So everybody, you heard her request it. Leave your thoughts, your experiences, your questions, anything about going through a DIY divorce or any divorce at all that might be useful in the comments below. Whether you have questions for Misty, or you have experiences to share, or you have ideas or advice for other survivors, please leave it all in the comments below.
Learn more at divorceyournarcissist.com. Any divorce is painful, difficult, and not what you planned. But when a narcissist is involved, the pain is magnified even more. We may understand where you are better than anyone in your real life, as we are also survivors of narcissistic abuse in toxic marriages. And that's exactly why we put together this helpful Divorce Your Narcissist toolkit. We know what it takes to get through the hard times, and we know what it takes to even consider starting to heal. If you've been where we are, then you understand that the toxic narcissist will do anything in their power to make sure that this entire process is hard on you. But by arming yourself with a little information and a shift in your perspective, you can start healing right now, even if you're still in the planning stages. This toolkit was created specifically for you, and we're giving it to you absolutely free. No strings attached, because we just want to help take away some of the pain and help arm you with the knowledge and information that you need to get through these unfortunate circumstances in your life. Queen Being is proud to introduce divorceyournarcissist.com, a brand new site dedicated to helping you get through a toxic divorce from a narcissist, in partnership with our featured blogger, Misty Dawn, a former paralegal and survivor of narcissistic abuse. There are a variety of resources in this toolkit, including a video interview and 2 downloadable resources from attorney Jillian Tyndall, who is also a survivor of narcissistic abuse. A specially curated selection of Angie Atkinson's videos to help you cope with the various issues that come up before, during, and after a divorce with a narcissist. Your own new life toolkit, full of downloadable resources to help you get through the hard times, plus a special list of free courses and ebooks that might help you going forward, access to a special group for divorcing a narcissist, and much more. Get your toolkit at divorceyournarcissist.com/toolkit.